Meaning of flavoring.
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 Flavoring. Flavoring refers to the process of adding taste or aroma to food and drinks. It can be achieved by using natural ingredients such as herbs and spices, or synthetic substances like flavor compounds. The addition of flavorings is intended to enhance the taste and smell of food and drinks, making them more enjoyable to consume. These additives are often used in processed foods and beverages to make them more appealing to customers. However, excessive use of flavorings can also lead to health issues such as obesity and high blood pressure, so it's important to consume them in moderation.